Once you have CapCut open, take all the downloaded footage and the image and import. We're gonna take an image, we're gonna drag it to the timeline, and we'll start with stars. Drag it above. Because it's a 30 seconds video loop, I will extend the background to the same length, just like that. We will select stars, we go to video basics, blend, and change it to screen. Then by having star selected, we go to mask, add mask, select a pen tool here, and make a selection in the area where you want to add flickering stars. Really, it can be a very rough selection. You don't have to be precise here, because we have already a lot of stars in the background, so that kind of helps us to blend in our footage very well. Once you finish selection, you can add another mask, and we select this part as well. And now if you play, you see that we have a beautiful flickering stars happening in this area and this corner as well. Now we will add a flickering light on this lantern here and here. And to do that, we take the second footage, we go to video, basic, and mode, we choose to screen as well. We grab it, this light, we place it over the lantern, and let's reduce opacity. And we can duplicate by holding Alt button, dragging up, we grab it and we place it here. Perhaps we can scale it down a little bit. It's not really visible much, so here we can increase the opacity. Now, as you can see, the animation is exactly identical. They are flickering at the same time. To change that, we place the time indicator anywhere in the timeline. We select one of the footage, we go to split, and we offset this animation by dragging the second part to the beginning and the first part to the end. And if you play now, you will see that they are flickering at totally different times. Next, we will add a steam rising from this cup. We take the third footage, drag it. We do the same here by going video basic, blend, put to screen, and we scale it down. Scale it, move it just above the mug, maybe scale a little bit more. And personally, I don't like when the steam is a focal point of the scene, and thus I like to reduce opacity. But then again, it's just a matter of personal preference. And just like that, you have a nice steam rising from the cup. The last and my favorite are shooting stars. So we do the same, we drag it in the timeline, put the indicator somewhere in the middle of the footage. We change the blend mode to screen, and let's scale it down. Here you can be totally creative and you can put the shooting stars where you want and duplicate as many times as you want. So I duplicate, I move above, so there is one, another one is coming, I'll put in another place, maybe I will scale a little bit more. Then I duplicate again, maybe a little bit further into the timeline, I'll scale even more, just like that, and then duplicate again. And you can duplicate as many times as you want, just like that. And if you play, look at that. And to make things even faster, you can select them all, hold Alt, and duplicate, just like that. If you don't feel like adding one by one, like this. And now, once you're done, we select everything, all the layers, just like that, right click, create compound clip. And now we have a perfect loop of 30 seconds. If you duplicate, if you play, you will see that it is looping perfectly. And just like that, you can create as long video as you want.